Hey guys, check these out.
What are those?
They're Natura Pine flavored toothpicks. Want to try one?
What flavors you got?
They have this one, and this one, and this one, and this one.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Wow, that's a lot of flavors. I guess I'll try
cinnamon.
They come in a couple different form factors, pouches, and tubes.
Gulp, 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 gulp. I'll take the tube. Crunch, 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 crunch. It's great. Wow, I'm liking these. Holy Christ. You see these things? You gotta try one of these.
Dude, this shit is good.
I think I'll have one too.
Hey guys, what are you doing? Oh, hey Rocky.
Nice shirt. Jinx.
Jinx.
Double
Jinx. You owe me a Diet Coke. Whoa, what's this?
Audio Jungle.
Joe Biden.
Summer blueberry. Let me try. Damn, Shawty, that hits crazy style.
Some her blueberry. I hope the rest her human.
I don't care what flavor they are. I love them so much, I'm ordering them now online.
Clink. Glug, 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 glug.